Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, hop right into it. We're gonna go ahead and do our cash envelope stuffing for the first paycheck of September 2022, y'all. And remember, we get paid 3 times a month for this month. Y'all excited? All right, so let's go ahead, let's hop in, let's get started. So this is going to be the very first paycheck. And I am not stuffing a whole lot, but y'all, we're stuffing some. So that's what always matters. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our cash out. So today we're going to be stuffing $250. All right, and we got 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I try to stuff close to the amounts that I actually need. So that's what I've been actually trying to do. And I didn't put this too close up to the front, y'all. Let's try this again. I don't know, but I've been like super thirsty today, and it's not as hot, so I've been like guzzling water down like crazy. So I'm glad the weather is kind of like lightening up a little bit with the heat, but it's still hot. But yeah, it's still super hot. All right, so let's go ahead and get our cash envelope wallet. And y'all, I'm here to tell you that, as you can see, there is nothing in these envelopes. I'm not ashamed to tell you guys, because like I said, every budget is not going to be, you're going to have a lot of cash, loads of cash left over. That's what happens. So sometimes that's the way that it goes. And I've pushed this off long enough, and I am going to actually be putting this money in my coin bank. Yeah, I don't know. I think I've been just pretty much pushing it off because it's a lot. And yeah. And I know I used to put it all together, but I sort it out because it makes it so much easier to, I've just been super busy, so that's why. I usually love rolling coin and sorting it, but I've just been super busy, so I don't know. I might have to invest in a coin sorter, y'all. All right, so that's all we're gonna do for right now. All right, back to this. Okay, so for a boba, as you can see, we can go ahead and put a line here because we don't have anything left. So boba, we are going to get $5. That is for bubble tea. You guys let me know in the comment, what type of bubble tea do you like? I like the mango fruit bubble tea, I think, but it's like when I go to different places, they taste different. So yeah, so that'll give us $5. All right, so crisp is my salad place. We are going to do $5. All right, Aiden, he don't got anything in here. And these are a little bit out of order. Did I skip over Aiden? Oh, no. Y'all, I skipped over little buddy. Okay, so what I'm gonna have to do, because I always put money in his, I cannot believe I skipped over that. How did I never skip over Aiden. All right, so for this stuffing, we're not gonna put anything, but I am gonna do an extra cash stuffing where I'm paying myself, and I will make sure to put money in his envelope. I cannot believe, because he spent his money out of his envelope this time. Y'all, I better not let Aiden hear this, because he's gonna be like, where's my money? All right, so I need to make sure I remember to put that in there. So, because usually I'll add to my gas with my extra cash envelope stuffings with extra cash. So I have to make sure I put money in here. Oh my goodness. All right, so beauty, that's crazy. All right, so beauty, we're gonna do 45 because I actually have to go get my nails done. And I did use the money out of my beauty envelope because I had to get some hair stuff. So we have 20, 40, 45. And that took all of my little money out of there. All right, so budgeting, we're not gonna do anything for that. A Dollar Tree, we're not gonna do anything for that. And you don't have to stuff your envelopes every single time. Don't feel bad, because y'all see some weeks some things get something, and some weeks some things don't. Like I said, you make your budget work for you. And like I said, these are not priorities, but this one here is a priority because I do like putting money, because that helps him kind of learn about money too. When he wants to see something that he wants to buy, and if he has enough, we like go through, we say, how much do you have, Aiden? How much is it? Which one is, you know, larger? And he kind of like, you know, we walk through it. So that's why I want to make sure that I do put money into his envelope once I do my extra cash stuffing. Okay, so eat out, we are going to do $20. So hopefully we will try to 10, 20, not eat out as much. So keep our fingers crossed on that one, right? All right, next we have gas. So gas, I'm going to do 50, and then also that's another one with my extra cash envelope stuffings. When I pay myself extra, I put money into that. Like I think I told you, I just told y'all that, right? I just said that. Repeating myself. So we're going to do 50 bucks. So we're going to do 2 20s, and we're going to do a 10. So we got 20, 40, 50. So that is going to be for gas. And then for groceries, we are going to do $100. So we're going to do a 50, 2 20s, and a 10. I keep putting that over top of my book here. 50, 20, 40, 50. So we got 100. I counted that all crazy, right? All right, so next we have household. Household is not getting anything because we're pretty good with all of the cleaning supplies and everything that we need. So we can skip that one. And we have personal. So personal is going to get 20. Y'all, this is like the fastest cash stuffing I ever done. But I mean, we're getting right to it. So we're going to do, let's do 3 5s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we got 20 in personal. So that's $20. And then we have giving. Giving is going to do $5, and that's going to be that little $5 that we have left in there. All right. So we are pretty much finishing. I'm still like not believing that I forgot to do Aiden's. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in there. And I'm going to go ahead and close this book up because we don't need this anymore. So let's get to the nitty gritty here. I'm going to close this up. And we're going to add this coin. I don't know. I think I might. Let's do this. Let's put this in order so we can make sure. So that way it'll be a little bit easier for me. All right, we are done. So these are our coin banks. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me through this video. We are pretty much done. Yeah, that was the fastest cash stuffing I've ever done. All right, so if you have not already hopped over to my Instagram, and I do have the 52-week savings challenge. I think it's like maybe like a couple left. They're like gone like super quick. They are available. I haven't really checked since earlier today, I think, but I'm not sure. But so make sure that you follow me on my Instagram page. It's called 𝗗𝗚𝗡𝗧𝙀, and then my TikTok is called 𝗗𝗚𝗡𝙀. So make sure you follow me there, like, comment, subscribe, share this video, guys, and thank you so much for chilling with me. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.